If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Baldur's Gate 3, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to reduce lag and enhance performance. Step 1. Update your drivers. Ensure that your graphics card and other hardware drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest versions, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Reducing options like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing can significantly improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help the game run more smoothly. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher like Steam. This process checks for any corrupted files and replaces them, which can help improve performance. Step 5. Upgrade hardware. If lag persists, consider upgrading your hardware. Increasing RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to an SSD can provide a significant boost in performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gameplay experience by reducing lag spikes in Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your adventure.